Hi guys, today we're going to use patterns in words to help us with our spelling. Patterns in words are like parts of words that you know. Sometimes we call those word families. So I'm going to ask you to make sure that you have your paper that you were asked to have before watching this video. So you either need typing paper or writing paper and a pencil. And you've got to keep this paper because we're going to use it again. So go ahead and pause the video now if you need to get your paper and pencil. Okay, so now let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take your paper, and maybe you might have to have mom or dad help you, but I'm going to give you a chance. You're going to make columns, and columns are lines down. So I'm just going to pretend this is my paper, and I'm going to put a line down this way and another one down this way. So I have sections that I can write in. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. If you need to pause the video, you can do that to get yourself set up. All right, the first word family or pattern that we're going to use is the at family. So I'm going to make a dash and the AT. I'm going to put a line under it. The dash means that that's where I can put different letters at the beginning to change that word. So go ahead and do that now. Write your dash and your AT, make a line, and get ready to write some words underneath. And if you need to pause the video, you can. Okay, first I'm going to use think of letters in the alphabet to help me make these words. So the first letter that's right around the A is the B. So I'm going to choose the letter B. Now watch how I make my B. Remember, I have to have the belly in the front. So there's my B, A, T. So I have made the word bat. So I'm using the word part that I know, that at family, to help me make the word bat. So go ahead and write your word now. Be sure to make the belly B in front. And again, if you need to pause the video, do that. Okay, the next word we're going to make is the word cat. Because I know that cat rhymes with bat, and cat has that pattern that I'm hearing, the at pattern. So I have to think, what letter has the k sound? Actually, there's a couple. Did you say C? Because we kind of know how to make the word cat. So I'm going to write cat. And I know how to spell cat because I'm going to put the C, but my word pattern is the same. It's the AT. So go ahead and write that down now too. Or make the word cat in your at column. Underneath the word cat, I'm going to make a new word. So I'm going to write our pattern, at, and I'm going to put a new letter in here. What letter could I choose? Let's see. I'm rhyming at, so I have bat, cat. How about hat? Let's try hat. What sound do you hear at the beginning of hat? The h, and that H makes hat. So I have at, bat, cat, hat. Can you think of another letter I could put in front of at? And you know what? I should probably pause to give you time to write these words. So make sure you have bat, cat, and hat written. Now, boys and girls, what could we put in here? Let's try to rhyme it. Bat, cat, hat. I've got one. Mat. What letter would I put in front of my at pattern to make the word mat? Did you say M? You're right. Nice job. One more. Let's do one more. I'll give you a chance to write that down again. How about this? I'm going to write my word pattern, at. You think of a letter to put in here that's different from the B, C, H, and M. See if you can come up with one. Did anybody choose the S? What word did you make? S, at, sat. You made the word sat. So boys and girls, in our at family, our pattern is the at. It helped me because I know I could spell A-T, 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 right? At. But just by changing the first letter, I can make my new words. Bat, cat, hat, mat, sat. Good job. So your job is going to come up with words for the an family in your next column. So that's going to be one of the activities that you're going to turn in for your portfolios. And you're going to do it just like we did. The pattern is an, so everything you write in this column will rhyme with an. It's going to use the pattern an, or the part and you're just going to swap out different letters. Remember that dash means to change the letter to make new words. All right? All right, good job, boys and girls.